Hey guys, this is great opportunity for you guys to participate in the contest. You have to find a hidden question in a video and first one give the correct answer will be the winner. Winner has the opportunity to get his or query solved through direct discussion with me or in comments. They can also ask me to make a project of their choice. Winner name will be revealed after 24 hours of the uploaded video. In
This video I will teach you how to make a triple sulfate atom. First materials. We need a syringe. Match syringe require 30 ml. In my case 5 ml. I am used 5 times 6 to make a 30 ml. Some concentrated sulfuric acid, water and energy drink bottle and dropper. And 12 volt 2 ampere DV charger. You can use 6 volt charger. In my case, I use 12 volt 2 ampere charger and some copper electrode. I use normal copper wire to make electrode. First, burn all copper wire and remove all the insulations, and now use this copper wire. So before removing insulation, after use this wire, first put the electrode. Make sure both electrodes are not short together or touch together. So just put the electrode first. Other I block my fingers. Let me my electrode a little bit bend, so it might be touched together. So just I think remove fingers first. Make sure electrode pass other side, so electrode are not touched together. Light thin, like something. First remove electrode. One electrode goes this way and one is go this way. Make sure both electrodes are not touched together. In my case, touched together. Now you can see I put straight my little bit electrode and place electrode and my spindle. So I block this wire. Electrode touching each together with my spindles and bend extra electrode to outwards. Make sure both electrodes are not touched together. So it might be thin. My spindle is a little bit out. So that's why these electrodes are short. But now I made a wire bend. So now sure never touch together. Now tape, placing tape right there. This time little bit electrode is might be there in touching, but I am still taping to secure all the electrodes place by place. So it is hard work. This work is little bit hard. So electrodes are not sit one place without touching, but I am still try to touch. Now those table. Now put the electrode side by side. Never touch to, when electrode is touching to the other, experiment was not successful, or other it's burn power supply, so there's feeding power supply to voltage. Or if you have no copper electrode, you can use one iron and one copper electrode, but you can use, my opinion, in best idea, you can use both electrode as copper. If you use one electrode copper, you can use always positive wire, power supply positive wire connected to electrode positive copper electrode, and other electrode iron or other electrode you can use is connected to negative. So positive, it is also combination of electroplating. So which means electrode flow, ions flow to positive to negative. So that's why if you use positive side other metal, so it is not create a copper salt, it is other metal salt. Now I am putting 2 fins, 4 fins more put to make a 30 ml of water. 3, 4. You can use big syringe for put all water into one time. Little bit more, one syringe, and now water or 6 syringes. Now one electrode are set before adding sulfuric acid. Other, this is sulfuric acid is highly concentrated. Never add. Now I'm adding the sulfuric acid. You may know, never add water into acid, but acid add into water. Little bit, I previously tell, little bit acid add in large amount of water, not large amount acid in small amount of water. So it is quite dangerous. Add 5 ml of acid, which might be acid is less. So be carefully add. Might be taste. I will little bit spill everywhere acid. So I'm clean my table. So I think I made mistake. I add acid at once, but just I take more one acid. So it is my table is also acid by acid, but not problem. So now acid comes with highly processed acid, 99% concentrated sulfuric acid. Now take off. This way you can make only copper sulfate. This way you can make a copper sulfate, never other sulfate. So other acid are not conductive. Copper, this sulfuric acid is highly conductive. When I put, you can see positive electrode, ions shift to the negative electrode. You may say our bubbles are coming to positive electrode. Although water is down, little bit for down, electrode are not properly touched, but still converting sulfate. Just little bit bend, so make sure good touch. Let me. It might be. I'm not thinking. I am seeing, but I am thinking. A little bit bubbles create or formation of copper sulfate. So there's ion is changing right now. So wait a while, 15 minutes somewhere I think to do this. Now what happened when voltage passed to the copper solution? So copper, positive copper electrode is expand and give ions to a negative electrode, and negative electrode is gaining the electron to positive, and that's why positive electrons sent to negative, and that's why they are sulfate or made of copper sulfate solution. You can see little bit, just I think they were consumed of time. So previously I'm this experiment do with 1 hour in not a continuously time. So I am break by break, I check by check every seconds. So solution won't take a 1 hour time. It might be thin. Now time is to close to 15 minutes. If you take up more time, if you take a more faster, you can use 12 volt 4 ampere charger. But keep in mind, it never short these probes electrodes to each other, which means acid is highly flammable. When electrode is short to the other, there's a spark and acid a fire, and there's any other result. Or if you, when this copper sulfate is made, you can convert it into crystallize and after use. But my bit is I am made a solution with a potassium iodide solution is a real, so it's a liquid form. I will convert it into crystallize. I will eat it up. I will destroy my 800 ml of solution of iodide solution, but just by eating, and lastly only one drop my all acid I am potassium iodide solution is dissolved, evaporate, no crystals create. So that's why I not creating a crystal. So I not thinking to be destroyed my product, and this way I am use a product in solution form. So this is copper sulfate in solution form create, and that's why I am planning to dilute some source of water, add 3 and 4 times more this solution amount to add a water. So there's I will put in, you can see I am putting acid. So acid acts like a catalyst. When acid is catalyst. So if you use acid, you may dilute the solution. So otherwise, it is come your contact to your skin, and anything you want, it is burn your skin quickly. So there is always required to dilute. In my case, I am expert, so I am not used as dilute. Now you may be say there are bubbles. I am expert with these types, so I am using the concentrated. Otherwise, this dilute solution is best for other purposes. So concentrated, it might be thin. This takes a lots of time. So I pause the video and see after 15 minutes after results. I mean every 15 minutes I will show you 15 to 7 minutes to show you what is going on, what is look like, and little bit blue. You may not notice in camera, but I am noticing with my normal eyes. So solution is little bit blue. So it might be thin. Lots of time consumed. Now it's 1 minute or so to this solution. This setup I will maintain. Now 1 minute bait. I am showing this as now for 7 minutes. Now you can see I am set this bottle in this position. So electrode are dipping too much. So you can see bubbles are coming. This electrode are a little bit fatty for this one, and this one is little bit broad. So it is those like there, and now it is broad like there, and other electrode. Now solution you can see it is also blue. Now the reaction are doing. I hope reaction if though are 1 or 2 minutes, and after it may be finished. And now you can see there are reaction is working. Fermentation is ready now. I mean working now, not ready, but it is working now. Consume more time. One thing I am telling to Faridas generate hydrogen gas also. So never burn and never any spark create between this bottle anywhere. So it is this experiment not performed in kitchen. Okay, there's highly hydrogen gas generate. So you can see there are bubbles coming, and this bottle is fully moisture inside. So this is not a moisture, there is a hydrogen, and I will put this bottle in this position. You can see this electrodes are melted down, and just like a little needle, and other electrode is little bit form of rust. So it is contamination. That's this way you can take any metal, any one metal, and put in other metal, which means if you have a copper, I mean iron, if you iron wire, if you like to convert your iron wire with artificial copper wire, you can put in with iron with copper coating with iron. So it is a electroplating. It is called electroplating. So electroplating is used for any kind of metal to other metals, coating to the metals, which means for platinum, iron, platinum, copper, zinc, nickel metals you can use to coating to other metals. For example, copper to zinc, zinc to copper, nickel to platinum, platinum to nickel, platinum to zinc, platinum to copper. So you can use any kind of coating with any kind of metal, but not a sodium metal or potassium metal. These are chemicals compound. Now you can see this native electrode is too much dirty, or temperature of too much rise up. So you can see this native electrode is too much dirty, maybe not do the contact. So they are insulated with some dirt. So it might be convert our terminals right now this time. So all irons contaminate with these terminals. So I am thinking now change the time to terminal change. So both terminals are electrode. I think a little bit problem right now, which I think makes like made sure. Now you can see this small point is gaining electron and other is sending electron. So there are gain electrons gaining. So now this time this wire is rusty, other wire is fully washed. And you can see I am now put up. It is the final time to reaction complete. Now I am show you what's are. So you can see what is the electrode is mess. There is a copper sulphate solution in dirty condition. So I am filtering right now. This previously I made one, and I am filter, and after filtration look like something. Let me now you can see this product I made a real same way, and this is a now I made right now. Both are same, but there's a dirty form, there's a filter form. But I have a still funnel, but not I am using right now. So I am filter this solution with my other solution mix. So there are acid. When I add, you can see this come a smooth. Now you can see first pouring acid there, acid a little bit fumy, so it is little bit dose my nose, so it is a problem. So I wait a while with a little bit filtration. You can see it have a nice clean eye concentration copper sulphate. Now I am expert, so I am use intensity form, but I am recommending you can use 10 times higher the water quantity of this solution, higher the water 10 times, and after mix use them. And if you make a 150 milliliter, you can use 150 milliliter water with 25 milliliter of sulfuric acid concentrated. Add in by drop, not directly. So otherwise, if you add directly, so it is main a problem. Little bit add. Other I am also making how to make a rinse sulfate. There are filter out nice clean copper sulfate and static solution. If you made a 150 milliliter, you can use 150 milliliter of sulfuric acid, the water, and 25 ml of sulfuric acid and static drop by drop. If you have old not unstatic sulfuric acid, for example, if you have a battery, you can use a battery acid. Battery acid is also sulfuric acid, lead acid battery is also inside contained with dilute sulfuric acid. So if you use battery acid, it is not required to more dilute. So that you can use directly without adding water. Now you can see there is a filter. Now throw the filter paper. Let me little bit I think left. You can see there a copper metal is left, and my bottle is also left a copper metal. Now I throw this filter paper with like table somewhere right there, and close this. And with this video can be done next video very soon. By the way, contest. What is formula of copper sulfate? What is formula? Like the question is, what is formula of copper sulfate? And this video can be done next video very soon.